Congratulations! If you've reached this point, then you've successfully implemented shared coordinates between InfraWorks, Civil 3D, and Revit. Now let's take things a step further and incorporate some laser scan data so we can build out the rest of the project site. Let's begin by taking a quick look at the point cloud within ReCap Pro. This point cloud contains the surrounding area of the old Snowden Towers before it was demolished. You can click into the mirror balls and view the 360-degree images that were captured with each scan setup. You can toggle back to the point cloud view and navigate anywhere within the point cloud. On the home flyout, click on the gear icon to open the preferences and notice the current coordinate system. In this particular point cloud, a coordinate system has not been defined. Also, the project units are currently set to meters, whereas the units in our InfraWorks, Civil 3D, and Revit models is set to imperial. This is not a problem, and we'll address this in the InfraWorks model. Back over here in InfraWorks, let's import the point cloud. Browse to the location you've stored the RCP file and select it. Because InfraWorks understands this is a point cloud, that object type is automatically applied and grayed out since it can only be a point cloud. We'll use the same values from Revit's project base point and apply those to the point cloud. But for the units, be sure to select the XY-IFT option to force InfraWorks to scale the point cloud based on feet and not meters. At this point, you may be asking yourself, how did it know to use the same coordinates as the Revit model? To answer this question, let's hop back over to ReCap. The origin or insertion point within ReCap was manually set because this particular point cloud was created without the use of control points. Control points are typically used by surveyors, and they're objects or reference points on or near a project site with known coordinates. These points are essential to accurately positioning roads, buildings, utilities, etc. on the project site. If you have a point cloud that was created using control points, then the import process will be slightly different. Instead of manually entering the project base point coordinates, you will simply select the appropriate coordinate system and the point cloud will fall into place and align with the rest of the model automatically.